Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the Absolute Football 2022 Cello box. So Absolute Football is going to feature 20 cards per pack. You're going to receive 12 cards per box, and these are only an $80 box. So check them out, sportszonetoyscomics.com. You can check them out here in store, get them a little cheaper in the store. We don't have to ship them. This is a value pack, 3 green parallels per box. On the back, it does state the odds of all the different inserts, the kabooms, and all the different parallels. It does say autographs too, so we're hoping we can show you an autograph in these. They're a really inexpensive way to get Absolute Football this year. At $80, you get a ton of cards for really, really cheap. So since this is so many, we're going to fly through the base pretty quick and then just highlight the rookies and stuff. So Olave, Brisker, Travian Walker, Kyron Williams. So that's what, 5 rookies? Now here's a green parallel. So we'll separate the base and the rookies so you see. So here, do it like that. And then the insert set, Last Call, Daniel Carlson, Stargazing, the GOAT, Tom Brady. So we'll do the inserts up here. We'll do the parallels. You can check them all out. We now have in store as well, like a 50-cent box and a $1 box. So we'll throw a lot of the cards in there. You can dig through, pick the ones out you want. Daniel Jones, Derek Carr, Dak Prescott, Tom Brady. Rookies, Malik Shakir, Sam Williams, Kenneth Walker III, Debo, David Montgomery in green. There's the green rookie. George Kittle insert by Storm, Ahmed Sauce Gardner, rookie year card. Looking for those Kenny Pickett's. There's a Mahomes base. They are every which way. All right. So rookies, Traylon Burks, Kyle Hamilton, Jeremy Rucker, green, Mac Jones, Marquise Brown, green rookie, draft diamonds, Shannon Sharp. Oh, there we go. By Storm, Jahan Dotson. All right. What's the base? It's a 200 card set. I could see you making the set for sure. My goodness. David Ball. Sam Howell, Greg Dulcich, Miles Sanders, Michael Pittman, Damian Pierce in green. So there's a good one. A Sky Moore introduction. A Last Call, Thomas. We can, oh my goodness, it came in the pack like that. That's crazy. So we can send these in, any of these good rookies that we pull. If you pull some, you want to send them in the CSG, we'll do it in store at only $15 a card. So please stop in. Wow, boom. Green Kenny Pickett. We will be sending that one in. Nice. Chris Olave, introduction. Could be Rookie of the Year. Last Call. Monroe St. Brown having a phenomenal season. Green Kenny Pickett. Very nice. We are halfway through the box. And we're flying through these cards. Hopefully you're enjoying the video. If you are, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that. Subscribe to our channel. Alec Pierce. That's a good one. Kennedy Brooks. Romeo Dobbs. That's a good one. Devin Lloyd. John Michie III. We'll have to wait till next year. Hopefully he heals up. Justin Herbert Green. Joe Mixon Green. Ty Chancellor Green. Stargazing Derrick Henry. Cam Chancellor Draft Diamonds. All right. 6 packs down. 6 packs to go. Drew Lock is a Seahawk, which we've never saw play. Gino's holding that job down. Brian Cook, Drake London, great season. Cole Strange, George Pickens, good season. Kyle Phillips, Kadarius Toney Green, Brandon Cooks Green, Jahan Dotson Green. He's having a good season at Penn State for the Commanders. Draft Diamonds Dak. Dotson has a bunch of touchdowns. First round pick. Will we see Carson Wentz again? I don't know. Looking like it's Heineke's job to lose. Justin Ross, Jalen Tolbert, Nick Pitino, Bo Melton, Desmond Ridder, new starter in Atlanta. The old starter in Atlanta, Mariota in green, Devontae in green. By Storm Brees Hall. Aiden Hutchinson introductions. Right, there's only 4 left. See if we can pull a numbered card. If you watch the blaster break, we got a numbered card. We got a jersey card. Let's see what these Cellos can deliver. Something special. Wandell Robinson, Keontae Ingram, ooh, Xavier Knight. He's a breakout star as of late. Derek Stingley Jr. Whoa, numbered rookie. Jordan Davis to 499. That's cool. J.K. Dobbins, DeAndre Swift, Aiden Hutchinson Green, last call Travis Kelce, Stargazing Stafford. So there are numbered cards in the Cello. We got a numbered to 50 in the blaster. That was Leonard Fournette. Quite a stack of base. Trey McBride, Snoop Connor. Oh, Kayvon Thibodeau is tearing it up. Danny Gray, Darren Waller, CeeDee Lamb, Jelani Woods, Sam Howell by Storm, and the introduction of Desmond Ridder. 2 packs left. Pull something cool. Tons of rookies. Everything's at the bottom of the pack. Quay Walker, Brian Garrett Wilson, Isaiah Likely, Taquan Thornton, Mike Evans, Michael Carter III, Ty Davis Price, last call Evan McPherson, Stargazing Jamar Chase. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it with all your friends. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please share our content. Get it out there. We're just doing you a service, letting you check out all the cards so you know what to buy, what you like. Nakobe Dean, Arnold, Zach Wilson Green, James Robinson Green, Jermaine Johnson, green, Draft Diamond Rogers, and a Chris Olave by Storm. So that is Absolute Football 2022 Cello box break. Thank you very much for watching.